Here's how to fix printer or peripheral not working quickly. Step 1. Restart Windows in safe mode. Press Windows plus I to open Settings, then go to System, then Recovery, then Advanced Startup, then Restart Now. After your PC restarts, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Startup Settings, then Restart. Then press 4 for Safe Mode or 5 for Safe Mode with networking. Safe Mode loads only essential drivers, which helps identify if your printer or peripheral issues are caused by conflicting software. Step 2. Reset Network Settings. Press Windows plus I, then go to Network and Internet, then Status, then scroll down and click Network Reset. Click Reset Now and confirm. Your PC will restart and restore all network settings to default. This can fix issues with networked printers or peripherals. Following these steps should get your printer or peripheral working properly. Subscribe for more professional Windows fixes.